I can show you how to go from a complete beginner to coding like a pro in just 30 days. Learning to code in just 30 days might sound like a daunting task, but trust me, it's achievable. With the right mindset, resources, and strategy, you can unlock your coding skills and take your personal and professional growth to the next level. Imagine being able to build your own website, create your own apps, or even land your dream job as a software developer. The benefits of learning to code are endless, and I'm excited to share with you how you can achieve this in just 30 days. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to get started with coding, the resources you need, and the strategies to help you stay motivated and on track. When it comes to learning coding, one of the biggest challenges people face is finding the time. You might be thinking, I'm too busy with work, school, or other commitments to dedicate time to learning coding. But the truth is, every successful coder started from somewhere, and it's never too late to start. Another common challenge is feeling overwhelmed by the amount of information out there. With so many coding languages, frameworks, and resources available, it's easy to get confused about where to start or what to focus on. You might have tried learning coding before but gave up because you didn't see progress fast enough. Or maybe you're intimidated by the thought of coding because you think you're not good at math or problem solving. Feeling overwhelmed by the amount of information out there is a common problem many people face. You start watching tutorials, reading blogs, and taking online courses, but soon you realize that you're not making progress as fast as you thought you would. You start to doubt yourself, wondering if you're cut out for coding. You might even feel like you're too old to start learning something new. But here's the thing, coding is not just for young people or math whizzes. Anyone can learn to code, regardless of their age, background, or experience. The problem is not that you're not good enough, it's that you're not using the right approach. You see, most people try to learn coding by jumping straight into complex projects or trying to learn everything at once. This approach is not only overwhelming but also frustrating, leading to burnout and eventually giving up. So, how do you overcome these challenges and stay motivated to learn coding in just 30 days? Let's explore some coding languages and frameworks, and outline the resources, tools, and strategies to help you achieve your goal. When it comes to coding languages, you have many options to choose from. Some popular ones include Python, JavaScript, HTML/CSS, and Ruby. Each language has its own strengths and weaknesses, and the choice ultimately depends on what you want to build. If you want to build a web application, you might want to start with HTML/CSS and JavaScript. If you're interested in machine learning or data analysis, Python might be the way to go. Once you've chosen a language, it's essential to find the right resources to learn from. You can start with online courses, tutorials, or coding boot camps. Some popular resources include Codecademy, Free Code Camp, and Coursera. In addition to online resources, it's essential to have the right tools to help you stay organized and focused. You can use a Pomodoro timer to stay on track, a to-do list to prioritize your tasks, or a habit tracker to monitor your progress. Another critical strategy is to break down your learning into smaller, manageable chunks. Instead of trying to learn everything at once, focus on one topic at a time. For example, if you're learning Python, start with the basics such as variables, data types, and control structures. Once you've mastered these concepts, move on to more advanced topics like object-oriented programming or web development. Staying motivated is also crucial to your success. You can join online communities like GitHub or Stack Overflow to connect with other coders, get feedback on your projects, and learn from others. You can also find a coding buddy or accountability partner to help you stay on track. Having someone to report to and get feedback from can make a huge difference in your motivation and progress. One of the most critical strategies to learning coding in 30 days is to focus on building projects rather than just reading or watching tutorials. By building real-world projects, you'll be able to apply what you've learned, get feedback, and see progress. I want to share with you a success story that illustrates the potential transformation someone can experience by committing to learn coding in 30 days. I've seen people go from complete beginners to building their own apps, websites, or even landing their dream jobs as software developers. This isn't just about learning coding, it's about the confidence, skills, and opportunities that come with it. By committing to learn coding in 30 days, you're not only developing a new skill but also unlocking your potential for personal and professional growth. Let's recap the main points we've discussed today. To learn coding in 30 days, you need to start with the right mindset, choose the right resources, and stay motivated and focused. You need to break down your learning into manageable chunks, build real-world projects, and get feedback from others. Consistency is key, and using the right strategies and tools can make all the difference. Remember, learning coding is not just about the technical skills, it's about the transformation it can bring to your life. I want to hear from you. What's your coding journey been like so far? What challenges are you facing, and how can I help? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to check out my next video on advanced coding techniques.